Seen those big, bright screens in malls or churches? They're called LED wall displays, and today, we'll break them down simply. An LED wall display is a very big screen made of many smaller panels. These panels use tiny lights called LEDs, light-emitting diodes, to show pictures and videos. Each light can turn on and off quickly to create images in bright color. You often see LED walls in public places like churches, malls, concerts, or even big offices. Some people now want to use LED walls at home instead of regular TVs because they look amazing and can be built in different sizes. Unlike a normal TV that comes in one piece, LED walls are made of many panels connected together. You can build a screen that fits your wall, big or small. These walls don't just show one picture, they can show different videos, live feeds, or even act as digital signs. But before using one at home, it's important to know how they work and what they need. People love LED wall displays because they are super bright and clear, even in daylight. This means you can still see the screen clearly in a well-lit room. The colors look bold and the screen doesn't get washed out like some projectors. One big benefit is that LED walls can be built in any shape or size. Want a wide, curved, or extra tall screen? You can build it with LED panels. LED walls also last a long time, up to 100,000 hours, which is much more than many TVs. Each panel can be replaced if one gets damaged, so you don't lose the whole screen. Businesses use them for ads and information, while churches and events use them to reach large audiences. Many people are now considering them for home theaters because they look high-end and modern. If you want a display that grabs attention, an LED wall does just that. Even though LED walls are great, there are a few downsides. The biggest one is cost. They are much more expensive than TVs. Even a small LED wall setup can cost thousands of dollars, and you also need to pay someone to install it. The setup takes time and special tools. You can't just plug it in like a normal TV. Also, LED walls are sometimes too bright for home use, especially if your couch is close to the screen. If the brightness isn't adjusted, it may strain your eyes. Another thing is space. These walls need room behind them for cables and air to move, so your wall has to be ready. Most LED panels don't come with built-in speakers, so you'll need a sound system too. And if something breaks, it may be hard to find a local repair person, depending on where you live. There are different types of LED wall displays, and it helps to know which one you need. First, there are indoor LED displays. These are made for inside use. They don't need to be very bright and are good for homes, churches, or offices. Then there are outdoor LED displays. These are extra bright and weatherproof, which means they can handle rain, sun, and wind. You'll see these on billboards or outside shops. A cool type is the transparent LED wall, which lets you see through it while it shows images. These are often used in store windows. Another important word to learn is pixel pitch. This tells you how close the LED lights are to each other. A small number like P2.5 or P3 means the image is sharp and good for close viewing. Bigger numbers like P10 are for far-away viewing. For home use, you want a smaller pixel pitch so the image looks smooth. Some of the best LED wall display brands you can find today include Samsung, LG, Absen, YUCHIP, Lyson, and P2 indoor LED kits. Samsung's ultra-premium The Wall is known for perfect color and clarity, great for luxury homes or high-end boardrooms. LG offers LED signage kits with excellent image sharpness and strong build. Absen, used worldwide, makes modular LED wall panels that are easy to set up and maintain. YUCHIP makes both indoor and outdoor LED walls and offers affordable P2.5 and P3.0 options for home theaters. Lyson offers indoor fixed LED screens that are good for conference rooms and churches. If you want something simple to build yourself, some sellers offer P2 indoor LED video wall kits that come with power supply, controller, and cables included. Always check brightness level, panel quality, lifespan, and after-sales support when comparing. Can LED wall displays be used as TVs? The answer is yes, but they need extra devices. These panels don't have built-in streaming apps. So, you'll need to connect a media player like a Roku, Fire Stick, Apple TV, or Android TV box to play movies or shows. They also usually have no speakers, so you need a sound bar or audio system. If the screen has a small pixel pitch, P2.5 or lower, you can sit closer and still see a sharp picture. Larger pitch screens, P5 or higher, look better from far away. LED walls use more electricity, and you'll need to adjust the brightness for comfort. They're great for home theaters, gaming setups, or large living rooms. While not as simple as buying a plug-and-play smart TV, with the right accessories and planning, your LED wall can function just like a giant, stunning TV. LED wall displays are big, bold, and built for impact. Whether you're designing a home theater, building a worship center, or upgrading a conference space, they deliver amazing brightness and lasting value. They're customizable in shape and size, and some models can last over a decade with daily use. But they also come with bigger costs and installation steps than a typical flat-screen TV. In this video, you've learned what LED walls are, their pros and cons, popular types, and trusted brands that can fit home or business needs. If you want a screen that truly stands out, and you have the space, budget, and setup, an LED wall display may be the perfect upgrade for your world.